So hey guys, in this video I show you how to use the Meta AI app in 2025. So inside the Meta AI app, you can ask anything, literally any question. For example, let's try asking, how are you? And just like that, Meta will reply. You can chat with it just like a real person or ask it anything you're curious about. You'll also notice a scrollable feed, kind of like Facebook or Messenger. You'll see posts here, and most of them are created by AI. At the bottom, there are buttons you can click, and there's even a notification tab to stay updated. Now, let's try one of the features. Tap Create an Image. As you can see, it's generating an image right now. So let's wait for the result. And once it's done, you can reply to Meta about the image or ask for changes. So why is Meta AI useful? You can use it to generate ideas, create quick images or content, or even just have fun exploring AI-powered replies and feed. So super handy, especially if you're a content creator, student, or just someone curious about AI.